Hi, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Binance. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Binance application and from the left top click on your profile icon, and once you will click on it, now you have to click on the payment methods, and here you have to add the P2P payment method here. So right now I have not added any payment method. You can simply add it from here, and once you will add it, now go back and click on the wallet on the right bottom, and here you will see different currencies. Simply click on the USDT to deposit the amount and click on the P2P trading. Now you have to click on the buy and also select USDT here, and here you have to search for the trader. Now click on the buy from here. Once you will click on it, you have to verify your account, and if it's already verify your account, you will see a enter amount option here. Simply enter the amount to deposit the currency. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.